Well, here are the puppies. I see this morning one already has their eyes open. So this guy here is the first to have eyes open, and oops, trying to get the sex. Yeah, it's a male. Okay, so put that one over the side so we don't get them confused. And here's another male, not quite with the eyeballs open yet. And here's a pure white, just like Grandpa. And that's a female. And another pure white. And that's a female. They're growing big and strong. And this one is a male. And just like Grandpa. And, oh boy, it's a heavy one. There's a female. And last but not least, the runt of the litter. And it's a female. There you have it. All the puppies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Mom's wanting to come back in, so I'm gonna have to let her back in here. Okay, Mom. Come on, Holly. There you go. Yeah, just taking video of the babies. Oh, you gotta go on guard duty? So there's the mom. Doing good. Okay, Holly. Yeah, I moved your babies a little bit. Oh, gotta go away. Yeah, puppies are safe, so we gotta go do guard duty. Yeah, they're starting to wander around in here. Growing up big and strong. This Mom's got, or I guess it would be the puppies, have got this area kind of cleared out from rear end, pushing into Mom. So hopefully that gives you an idea. We'll give you some more updates as we go and they get older.